Hello guys, this is Tech Wizard, and in today's video we'll be making two commands. One is the kick command and the other one is the ban command. Alright, so all those who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you click that subscribe button and push the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. And so let's get started. So first I create a subdirectory in the directory commands named as moderation, and then I create a new file named kick.js in the moderation subdirectory as the command's name is kick. Okay, so then we import the discord.js library, and then we do our module.exports thing for our command handler that makes our commands work. So we name the command as kick, and the description as kick someone from the server, and then we start the main code. Then we do run async client message and args. We basically sync all of these. So then we start our main code. So first up we have to define a target member, a user. So in this case the target would be the person who is getting kicked, so that is why I've used the noun target. Okay, so we have to define the target, so we can do message dot mentions dot users dot first. Okay, so now we can check that if there is no target, so for example if the user did not specify a valid user, did not mention a valid user, or the bot couldn't find the user, so it would just return a message saying please mention a valid user. And then we can check that if the target's ID is equal to the message is equal to the author's ID, the person who used the command, then we can simply block the command by saying that how can you kick yourself or something like that, which notifies the author that he can't kick himself. So for that we return message.reply, you cannot kick yourself, and we are done with this. So the next thing is going to be the next thing is going to be defining the reason. So we'll define the reason for which the target is being kicked. So we do args.slice1. Basically it will remove all the arguments till the first position, so that includes our command name and our user mention, so it will get removed, and the rest of the arguments will be taken as the reason here, and the rest of the arguments will be the reason. Of course, the if it's a word then it's okay, but if it's a sentence we need to catch it also, so that's why we did our just slice one dot join. So then we check if there is no reason, we can return please give a reason, and then we are defining a new embed for the embed's not necessary. Basically it's just for the logging sake, so people know that who got kicked from the server, by whom, and for which reason. So this is basically for the logging system. If you don't need the logging system, you can just go ahead and delete this part and simply do target.kick or target.ban. We'll make a ban command also coming up. Okay, so we add some fields saying the target ID, and the value is target.tag, which is basically the username and the discriminator of the user. And the next field is the moderator, the person who used the command, and the next field is reason, the reason why the target was kicked. And then we also can add a title to the embed saying member kicked or member banned, etc, etc. So now we can await the message, await and send the message. So it would be message.channel.send and embeds, because we have defined the message embed as embed here. So then we await and kick the member. So then for that we do await target.kick, and then we define the reason, and we should be good to go. Okay, so let's start the bot now. We do no dot, and it says all the commands have been loaded. Okay, nice, and we proceed. Now if we do kick at the rate tickets, so basically tickets is the bot who is being kicked. Okay, what's the error? Cannot read property users of undefined. I did a mistake. It is message dot mentions. I wrote mention only. I was missing an S and that broke the command. Okay, so now it is fixed. Let's see. Yes, it works still here. Please mention someone to kick. So now if I go ahead and mention the bot, I should see you didn't give a reason. Okay, now this time I'll specify a reason as well. And so for that I did hello, and the bot sent an embed, but hmm, but the target didn't get kicked. Okay, okay. Oh, it wasn't users, guys. It was members. And so now we'll first have to convert the target into a user and then do dot tag for the tag, because members don't have tags, users have tags. Okay, so then we do no dot and can do kick tickets hello, and you see the bot has been kicked and it says the target's ID, moderator name, and the other information that we asked for. Now here you see the reason it says object, so there is a problem with our code. Go ahead and check it. So if you go into Visual Studio Code, we see that there is no error, but I think I found the error. So you can simply remove the reason from it and the curly brackets. So this should work. So let's try it again. I have now added the bot again to the server, and now if I do kick tickets hello testing or whatever the reason may be, you see it has been kicked and the bot sent an embed. So now let's go ahead and check the audit logs of the server. So if I go into audit logs and check kick tickets, alright guys, yes, here we see the reason that why the bot was kicked, or why the user was kicked in this case. And we see that previously it was object, and now it has now it became what the reason was specified by me. So yes, the command works, and now we can just simply copy paste the code for the ban command. We have to just change some slight things, slight changes. So now if I go ahead and paste this, and to just replace kick by ban, this is banned, and name the command to ban, description change, and then we can do please mention someone to ban instead of kick. And in here we can also do ban, and yes, we have done everything. Okay, so I've added the bot again to the server, so let's see what happens. So it's ban. Oh, we didn't start the bot. Lol. Okay, so I started and it says every command has been loaded. Okay, so now if I go ahead into Discord and do ban, it should say please mention someone to ban. Okay, works. So now if I do ban at the rate mention, it says please give a reason. So now if I do ban tickets and with the correct syntax, it should ban. Okay, we have an error. The bot sent an embed but did not kick I'm sorry, ban the user. Okay, so I found out that error was basically we had to define the reason which earlier we removed from the kick command. We have to use it in the ban command. Okay, so now if I restart it and go into Discord, it should work now. So if I do ban tickets hello testing or whatever the reason may be. So you see the bot got removed, and this means that it got banned from the server as well. So if I check the audit logs now, it should say banned tickets with reason hello. Alright guys, this is a pretty much basic ban and kick command, and that was all about this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, as your subscribe means a lot to me and really motivates me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.